Welcome to LaraK's Oracle. This is a mystical space where ancient wisdom meets modern intuition. Let's start the magician today. Let tarot speak to us. So today, we are stepping into the energy of the magician, card number 1 in Major Arcana. Look at it. A young man in a red robe stands tall and confident. His eyes are sharp, full of focus and belief. In his right hand, he lifts a swan toward the sky. His left hand points down to the earth, as if he's connecting heaven and earth. On the table in front of him are 4 tools: a cup, a sword, a wand, and a coin. They are surrounded by flowers, and the whole scene feels charged with magic. So this card is all about power, clarity, and strong focus. The magician isn't just someone who's doing tricks. He's a channel. He's connecting heaven and earth. He reminds us, you all already have what you need. He's a master at turning ideas into reality. As if he's saying, if you can imagine it, you can create it. Alright, let's have a closer look. First, his pose, one hand up and one hand down. It shows the idea of as above, so below. So, he's a bridge between spirit and matter. He takes divine energy and brings it into the real world. The tools on the table, they stand for the 4 elements. The wand, which stands for fire, meaning action, and the cup, which stands for water, meaning emotion, and the sword, which stands for air, meaning thought, while the last one, coin, which stands for earth, meaning resources. They are the 4 tools of creation. Okay, now let's turn to his clothes. He's wearing a red cloak. The red meaning passion and power, while the red robe underneath, it meaning the purity of purpose. The thing above his head is an infinity symbol that shows endless potential. Around his waist, there's a snake eating its tail, the Ouroboros. It's a symbol of circles and self-mastery. The things behind him are flowers blooming, which shows full of life and possibility. This is creative energy waiting to grow, but only if you believe and act. Now, let's focus on its meaning. So, when the magician shows up in a reading, it's a clear sign, saying you got all the tools, the power and the alignment. In its upright position, it means set your intention, focus, take action. You are the creator of your reality. So, from the universe, a green light is shining your path ahead. But if reversed, that's a warning sign. You may be doubting yourself or misusing your power. Maybe you are manipulating or even being manipulated. It can also point to scattered energy, which means too many ideas but without follow-through. So, the energy is there, but it needs direction. So, the magician reminds us, you are not waiting on magic, but you are the magic. So, ask yourself, where do you need to focus your energy right now? What could you create if you believed in your power? Whether it's starting something new, setting boundaries, or beginning a healing journey. The magician says, you got this. Don't wait. Start now. Everything you need is already inside you. Alright, are you ready to step into your own power? So that's today, the magician. In the next video, we will meet the High Priestess, the guardian of the hidden and the keeper of divine mystery. If this message resonates, let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe to LaraK's Oracle. Till next time, stand in your power and let tarot speak to you.